Okay guys, so here's a tip on how to find a contractor. So much like finding a designer, I think it should start with you taking a look at their work. What are they capable of? What have they worked on before? Again, that's not going to be indicative of all they can do, but it's again a good starting point for you. When you're looking up the contractor, of course, take a look at their portfolio, but I think it's even more important to make sure you talk to someone who's actually worked with this contractor, because their experience, whether it was good or bad, can give you an insight into what you may be getting into. So more than anything, get your references together, whether it's through someone else or through the contractor himself, to give you an idea of who they are. The next thing I think that I look for in working with a contractor is their responsiveness. How good are they at responding to me? Are you good on your email? Are you good on your phone? Are you good on your text messages? Often because when we get to an issue, we need quick responses. When we're trying to put out the fire in a project, whether something got broken on site, something got changed, something got moved, we need this contractor to be there to resolve this quickly. I cannot tell you how much time makes a difference in our projects, because if you're not ready for one thing, it could be a domino effect and hit so many other people down the road and just gets in the way. So responsiveness is huge to me. Another thing is organization for the contractor. How are they managing the process? How are they managing their specification sheets? Who's turning documents in? Is everything organized for them to know what they're ordering, what they're putting in, how things are getting pieced together? That's another big thing for me. Lastly, I think for contractors, do they seem like they're going to be able to work through a resolution?
Don't get loud with me, sir. Do not get loud with me. Oh no, security!
I can't tell you how important this is going to be, because on almost every project, something is going to go wrong. You want to make sure that you're working with someone who is not afraid of conflict, who's not afraid of confrontation, and who's not afraid of owning up to mistakes that are going to be made on a job site. It happens to all of us, the designers, the vendors, manufacturers, and contractors. You just want to work with someone who is willing to resolve those issues in a timely manner, in a very orderly and civil way, because this is going to take place, trust me. Also guys, the cliche, you get what you pay for, can be very true in our industry. I think that if you want to go cheap and you want to go lowball everything, you may get that in your product and your end result. I do think it's worth spending the money in a project where there is structural integrity involved, something that you want to be long lasting and that stand the test of time. It's worth putting the money into it. So if you guys ever need a contractor, I have several people that I'm happy to refer. Shoot me an email, write a comment below, send me a DM. Happy to help. See you guys.